Steering the course, mastering the journey in English. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting phrase, steering the course. This expression is a powerful metaphor in the English language, often used to describe navigating through challenges or directing a path towards a goal. It's a fantastic phrase that can add depth to your English conversations, and we're here to break it down for you. So, let's get started and master this journey together. At its core, steering the course refers to guiding or controlling the direction in which something is moving. It originates from nautical terminology, where steering a ship's course involves controlling its path through the waters. In everyday English, this phrase metaphorically means to guide the progress of something, like a project or one's life, towards a particular direction or outcome. This phrase encapsulates the idea of being in control, making decisions, and facing obstacles head-on. It's about determination, focus, and the ability to navigate through challenges. Steering the course can be used in various contexts, from personal development to managing projects or businesses. Here are a few examples to illustrate its versatility. Personal development. Despite the challenges, she's steering the course towards her dream of becoming a doctor. Business. Our team is steering the course through the market fluctuations with innovative strategies. Challenges. In times of uncertainty, it's important to keep steering the course, staying true to our values and goals. When using this phrase, it's crucial to pair it with details that specify what the course is and how it's being steered. This makes your message clearer and more impactful. Embracing the concept of steering the course can be incredibly empowering. It encourages a proactive stance in life and work, emphasizing the importance of taking charge and not being passive in the face of adversity. This phrase can serve as a reminder that, although we may not control every aspect of our journey, we have the power to influence its direction and outcome through our actions and decisions. Moreover, using such vivid metaphors in conversation makes your language richer and more engaging. It helps you connect with others on a deeper level and convey your thoughts more effectively. Steering the course is more than just a phrase. It's a mindset that champions resilience, leadership, and purposeful action. By understanding and using this expression, you enrich your English vocabulary and empower yourself to communicate more dynamically and meaningfully. We hope this video has illuminated the path to mastering this powerful expression. Remember, life is a journey filled with endless courses to steer. May your navigation be purposeful and your journey rewarding. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more exciting aspects of the English language with you. Happy learning!